trying FNF versus Hagiwagi. So let's just wait for it to download. Don't ask me how I got 3 FNF. And by the way, this how to use Game Garden. Don't that's not considered here. So I'ma remove that later. So the best is Virtual Master, BMX Pro, and then Game Garden. And if you want to check if you have root here, okay. So what Virtual Master basically do? It gives you a cloud phone and CMAX on BMX Pro. So let's keep it downloaded. That's done. Let's just click asset. Click on the folder thing. Now it will look like purple. And click on mods folder and plug into so you can see the when you open it the intro. So let's just hold it, click copy. Now click this, click device storage. Now go to I have to FNF and I bet on its Psych Engine, but let's try NF Engine first. Copy, apply to all files, replace, and click this so it won't turn off in the progress. So I'm gonna turn on that. After the copy is done, open the game. I don't think it's gonna work because that's an old Hagiwagi version. Wait, it works. Okay, let's wait. I think it doesn't. Oh, yeah. So, try hard. Actually, I played the Hagiwagi mode before, but it's not the original FNF. It's just game from Play Store. I just downloaded it and yeah. So that became nostalgic to me, so I want to try it again. But it got deleted from Play Store, so I downloaded the real FNF and imported the Hagiwagi mod. Bro, this different, bro. Bro, I remember that queue was the hardest for me back then. best. Magkata, hard. Still hard. The video's done. Goodbye.